Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is highest common factor and lowest common multiple. It's part 2. So let's begin. Write down factorizing.
So we want to continue, no?
Yes. A number into its prime factors. To write a given number, as a product of its prime factors is to factorize it into primes. We'll start with simple example. Remember two rules. When number will be even, you have to start with 2. And if number will be odd, you will start with 3. Now tell me, 24 is odd number or even number? Type it in the chat box.
Even.
Mute your call, please.
Even.
When I ask the question, it means you have to answer it in the chat box, in the comment box. Correct. 24 is even number. So we will start with 2. Now tell me, 2 multiply by dash equals 24. What number will come? Type it in the chat box.
2 multiply by 12.
I said correct 12. 2 we will write as it is down. We have to factorize 12. Now tell me, 2 into dash equals 12. Correct, 6. Here you have to rise. What we have factorized here? 12. 12 is factorized. Third step, these 2 and these 2 we have to take as it is down. Now tell me, factors of 6, 2 factors, what into what equals 6? 2 into 3, it comes 6. Here you will write 6 is factorized. Okay. Now tell me, is there further factorization possible? No. 2 is prime number, 2 is prime number, 2 is prime number, and 3 is prime number. Therefore, it is called prime factors of 24 in multiplication form. Write it down. When you multiply all these numbers, its product should come 24. Your answer will come correct. We'll take second example. Again, we have taken second even number. So you will start with 2. So tell me 2 into what is 32? Correct, 16. Next, 2 into. Now again 16 will be 2 into 8. Again 8 will be 2 into 4. And last 4 is 2 into 2. Now we will take odd number 63. 3 into dash equals 63. 21. Now 3 into 7. Only this much. Further factorization is not possible. Now how you will come to know that we cannot factorize further? You have to see all numbers should come prime numbers. 3 is prime number, 7 is also prime number. Then you have to stop. All examples we have taken in horizontal arrangement. You can take in vertical arrangement also. Take 45 and circle it. Draw like this lines down. Now what you have to write in the box and what you have to write in the circle. In the box, prime number should come, and in the circle, composite numbers should come. Now tell me 45, in which table it comes?
5.
5.
5 how's a 45?
5 9 5 9 45 and 9 5 45.
5 9 are 45. 9
Okay.
5 are 45. So 15
Okay.
is also.
Okay, 5 and 9 we will take.
Yes, sir.
5 9. Now tell me, type it in the chat box, which number is composite and which is prime. 5 is prime, correct. So I will take it in the box and 9 I will take in the circle. Put here multiplication sign. Now box we have to take as it is. We will not do any change. We do change only in circle. Again 9. You have to draw these two lines. Now tell me what numbers will come. Type it in the chat box. Correct. 3 and 3 or 3 into 3. Here 3, here 3. If we are writing box, it means further factorization is not possible. So I have taught you two methods. First one, in this way, horizontal arrangement or box and circle arrangement. Write down practice set 11. First number is 32. So already we have solved this sum. Write down number 2, 57. For odd number, which numbers I said?
3.
Correct. So 3 into what will come for 57? If you divide this number by 3,
90.
correct. Now tell me, 19 is prime number or composite number?
Prime number. Sir, prime number.
Okay.
Sir, prime.
Prime number.
Prime number.
So this is only the answer. We cannot further factorize. 3 into 19 is the answer for this question. Take third one. 23. 23 itself a prime number. In this way you have to write 1 into 23. 765. You can take here 3 or you can also take 5. First I will take 5. 5 into. When we divide this number by 5, we get here answer. 5 ones are 5. 2 will be there. 26. 5 5s are 25. 26 minus 25. 1. And then 5 3s are 15. 153. Multiply by 5 equals 765. 5. Now here again I will take 3. 51 into 3 is 153. Now tell me 51 comes in which table? Correct. 17th table it comes. 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. 5 is prime number. 3 is, it's also prime number. 17 is prime number. This is the answer. Now only we will rearrange in ascending numbers. Smaller number is 3, so 3 into 3, then 5 and 17. 765. So these practice sets were just introduction of this topic. Now the main topic is started. Name of the topic is HCF and LCM. So we have to start with HCF, which is also called GCD. Write down full form. Two 56, 32. Take 56 equals 2 into, here it will come 28. Factors of 28. 2 into 14. In this way. Next number is 32. We have already found final factors of 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to underline common factors. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. Here 2, here 2. Write out common factors. One number from each pair, you have to take it down. Two into 2 into 2. Multiply these two. 2 into 2, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Therefore, HCF is 8. This way you have to write the answer. Okay, then that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. And sorry for the late.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave the class.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. 7th A. 7th A. 7th A.